easy for you to get some, so when you want something good, don't fucking come to me, okay? Bye.
Would you show me the door? I would slither out across the floor. I'm ugly, my soul is ugly too. I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do.
I hate myself because
I'll stand far away. I wouldn't wanna dull your sunny day. I'm sorry, I reek of depression. Your happiness is my only obsession. I'm nasty, I'll try not to get me on you.
my apologies. God forbid, what would we do? I'll crawl out on my knees.
I'll stand far away. I wouldn't wanna dull your sunny day. My karma last night was your dinner.
My apologies.
I will follow you cause you're a winner. Your aura, it glows like toxic waste. Spit and I would lick it just to taste your presence.